3 reasons why you need to join us in Costa Rica.
Reason 1, all you have to do is book your flight. When's the last time you took a trip, went on holiday, did anything, and had to do no planning? Everything's taken care of for you. All you have to do is tell us when your flight is. We take care of the transportation from the airport to the accommodation. Dreamy. Don't have to plan anything the whole time. It's gonna be awesome. I'm looking forward to it. Okay. Number 2, you get to immerse yourself in a daily practice of IHP, of Pilates, and yoga in a magical place. And it's a time to really immerse yourself and manifest and create that consistency in your own practice.
And I would say also, I'd add to that, immerse yourself in a daily wellness practice. Every day we'll have some start as a meditation, breath work, a movement. We'll be doing something. We'll be closing the day with something. So you will be weaving in a total, and maybe even it's just journal writing. You know, I know for me, this is like speaking personally. If you're like me, I have 3 kids, 2 of them very, very small. I have a morning routine that I love to do. I love to do my breath work. I love to do a cold plunge. It doesn't always happen depending on what's happening at home with my kids, but it will happen out here on vacation in this environment. And the whole goal is to help you wire this in so that you can bring it back here, back home. Even something simple. Maybe it's just going to bed by a certain time. Who knows, whatever it is. And then the last thing I love, this is one thing that's very near and dear to me, is that we want to help you and witness you make positive shifts in your life.
Absolutely.
So maybe by circumstances, or maybe considering what might have happened to you or in your life or circumstances, it's easy to get into the habit of seeing what's wrong, right? Seeing what's not working.
Right.
And we want to help you shift into the habit of seeing what is right and what is working, so that we can wire into our bodies that life is happening for us.
Right.
Even those things that are hard, difficult, they're giving us experience. There's some blessing in that.
Absolutely.
And when you can step into that, it's a game changer for how you live your life. Remember, having joy and being happiness isn't based on circumstance, or not because I had a joyful thing or this person. I mean, all that helps.
Right.
But you can create it no matter what is happening in your life when you step into this type of mindset. So, right?
This can be that first step for you to create everything you want in the year to come.
Yeah.
Perfect opportunity.
So what are you waiting for? Book your spot now. There's a limited supply.
Yes, please,
And
before it fills up.
and we will see you on your mat in beautiful Costa Rica.
See you soon.